Hi, Debbie here of Gypsy Pear, and just want to add a note. No, we're no longer at Hardridge, but we got traveling a little bit and kind of enjoying ourselves, and haven't put out some of the videos that we've put together. So here's one of ours where we went and had the windshield fixed on the motorhome. Stay tuned. Good morning, YouTube. We're in the motorhome. I guess you could call it a practice run. We have to go get our windshield fixed, or half the windshield fixed. Hold on, I'll turn it around and show you what I'm talking about. We caught a rock on our last outing. It didn't show right off the bat, but the heat that we've had recently caused it to spread. So we're headed to Glass Dr of Dothan to have it repaired. Come along. As we're riding along going to the Glass Doctor, it makes us really wish we were ready to be traveling, because that's what it feels like. We're out on the highway. We're so ready to go. We've been in this campground way too long. Okay, we're here for the repair at Glass Dr of Dothan. Stay tuned. They've removed the rubber and we're waiting for them to pull the windshield. Well, they certainly don't get in any hurry here. They pulled the rubber off, and I've been waiting probably a good half hour for them to do the next step. And we have to sit here for several hours once they put the new one in. And we got here when they opened, so I'm hoping they'll go ahead and get on with it. Keep you updated. Okay, they're working on trying to get the windshield out. Stay tuned. Laid back here. Someone came along and spoke to him, and now he's not pulling the windshield anymore. He's talking to whoever this guy is. We'll see how long it takes. Still in progress of trying to get the windshield in. I think it's all been cleaned away, and we still don't have a windshield. Hours later, the windshield is cured and ready to roll out of here and go back to the campground for a little less than 2 weeks. Yay!